Hi, welcome back to Moose in Chemistry. This is redox reactions as oxidation or reduction lesson B. Now remember, in redox, Leo the line goes gur. So Leo, lose electrons, oxidize. Gain electrons, reduce. Alright, so let's look at a couple problems here and see how this works. Alright, so Br2, so this first one here, plus 2 electrons yields 2 Br negative. So in this case, it's gaining the electron. Each Br is gaining a -1 electron. So therefore, this is reduction. It's being reduced. Okay? Sodium here is neutral. It has no electron oxidation numbers. So it's giving up an electron right here. When it gives up an electron, it has more protons than it does electrons. So you're losing electrons, you oxidize, okay? Oxidize. All right, let's look at the next one here. Here this chlorine has a -1 charge, and it's going to a 0 state from a -1 state. And in the case, it's going to be giving up 2 electrons, 1 for each of the chlorine. So it also oxidizes. Okay, here is a neutral chlorine atom. It's going to receive 2 electrons. So if it's receiving electrons, it's gaining the electrons. So it's going to be reduced. All right. Pretty easy. Let's look at a couple more. Let's look at Na plus an electron yields Na0. Okay, here sodium has a +1 charge, and here it's gaining an electron. So it's gaining an electron. This one's obviously going to be reduced. Again, remember, when you gain electrons, you reduce. When you lose electrons, you oxidize. Okay, let's look at the next one here. Iron has a neutral charge to 0, and in this case, iron becomes a +2 charge, which means it's giving up 2 electrons. All right? If it's giving up 2 electrons, iron is losing electrons. So if it's losing electrons, it's oxidizing. So this one's going to be oxidizes. Okay? Let's look at 2 more. Here we have copper with a +2 charge. It's going to gain 2 electrons. And it's going to go to neutral copper, 0. So this is going to be reduced. And one more. Here we have iron +3. So it's gaining an electron to become iron +2. In this case, you gain an electron, you also reduce. Even though it doesn't go to neutral, it's still gaining an electron. So again, remember, when you are gaining electrons, you reduce. When you're losing electrons, you oxidize. And that's it. You guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Moose in Chemistry.